How does TB causes pleural effusion? Tuberculosis, TB, is a contagious bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It primarily attacks the lungs, known as pulmonary TB, but can also spread to other organs like the brain, kidneys, or spine. It is spread through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Why does pleural effusion happen in TB? Pleural effusion happens in TB because the body mounts an intense immune reaction to the bacteria, which makes local blood vessels leak fluid into the chest cavity. So, what is the core mechanism behind pleural effusion? It occurs in following steps. Bacterial leak. A small TB lesion near the edge of the lung ruptures, spilling TB proteins into the pleural space. Immune explosion. The body recognizes these proteins and launches a massive delayed hypersensitivity response, which is an allergic type immune reaction. Leaky vessels. Immune cells release chemicals that make the blood vessels in the chest wall highly permeable, thus making them leaky. Fluid accumulation. Protein-rich fluid pours out of these leaky vessels and pools around the lung faster than the body can drain it. Because the fluid buildup is caused by the immune response, rather than a massive bacterial invasion. The fluid itself actually contains very few live bacteria. This condition is known as tuberculous pleurisy. So, what type of immune reaction occurred here? The pleural effusion in tuberculosis, TB, is caused by a type 4 hypersensitivity reaction, also known as a delayed type hypersensitivity reaction. Unlike allergies that cause an immediate reaction via antibodies, like an asthma attack or hives, this is a cell-mediated response, orchestrated entirely by the adaptive immune system. How does the type 4 reaction create fluid? When TB antigens spill into the chest cavity, they trigger a step-by-step cellular response. Antigen presentation. Local macrophages and dendritic cells engulf the TB proteins and present them to T lymphocytes. T cell activation. Already sensitized CD4+ T helper 1 cells rush into the pleural space. Cytokine storm. These activated type 1 helper T cells release massive amounts of pro-inflammatory cytokines, specifically interferon gamma and tumor necrosis factor alpha. Vessel leakage. These specific cytokines alter the endothelium of local pleural blood vessels, making them highly permeable, leaky. High-protein fluid cascades into the pleural cavity, creating the exudative effusion. This type of reaction also leads to the local formation of granulomas and the release of adenosine deaminase, which is why testing for adenosine deaminase levels in the fluid is a primary way doctors diagnose TB pleurisy.